In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up seed germination by 1 to 2 weeks. Alright, some of the items you're going to need today is a bottle of hydrogen peroxide, 3%, bottle of water. We're going to reuse a salad container, and I've got a cup of perlite. The flower seed of choice today is going to be the moonflower. It's a vine. It is very cool. Let's take a look at the germination instructions in the back to see what they say as far as germinate time. And I see it right there. It says germinate within 7 to 21 days after sowing. I really believe we can take 2 weeks off the back end of that on the 21 days. And I think we can get seeds to start sprouting within 2 days with this method. Cannot speak to the science of this. I just know that it works. We've been doing this for the past 20 years. It increases our germination rate. And yeah, it's simple. Just add a little hydrogen peroxide. It helps against mold. And it just seems to help speed up seed germination. We're just going to take 1 capful. You only need a little bit of this to mix into the bottle of water. So let's fill that up. Put that in the bottle of water. Give it a couple shakes. We're going to add our seeds to the container, and we're going to dump in the perlite, and then we're going to wet it with the solution that we just made. While I'm working here, I have read the comments. I see the comments, and I understand that people want to see the results. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave a live stream running for maybe the next 2 days if I can. And we're going to see until these first couple seeds start to germinate and see if we can really knock off those days for germination time that the seed company states that it's going to take to grow these flowers. Okay, you can head over to the live stream now, and this video was posted on April 10th of 2022. If it's down the road that you guys are finding this video, make sure to leave a like and a thumbs up and comments down below. Make sure you share the video. Appreciate it if you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.